with the old steering wheel and with the new steering wheel. Alright guys, so check it out. We just finished up the Durango here. We replaced the steering wheel on it. So this beautiful new one. It's really nice. It's got all the nice digital gauge on the steering wheel. If you rev the engine up, it'll accelerate and show on there. Looks pretty nice, nice texture, nice grip. All the functions work. Even the heated part of it works really good still. I've already put all that to the test yesterday. I also wrapped this piece here. It was chrome. I don't know how I did it, but I wrapped it. Took me some time, but I was able to pull it off even with the light still kind of working on there. So it's ready to go. It's got all kinds of features, I guess, on here. I won't mess with it too much. I'll let the customer go ahead and mess around with it, and he'll figure out all the nice features on it. My part was to install it, get it looking good. My job is done. So if you guys are interested in any type of installations, window tinting, you know, you guys know where to reach me. We've done a few jobs on this truck. We tinted the windows, we tinted the tail lights, we wrapped those pieces there, the side pillars, we installed the visors. We'll see what else is next here at D's Garage. Over and out.